You won't believe it, I saved $10,000 in just 6 months, and I didn't make six figures. I was earning under $40,000 a year. Let me show you exactly how I did it, step by step. At the time, I was working a retail job, bringing in just over $2,500 a month. Rent, food, and bills ate up most of it, but I knew something had to change. The first thing I did was track every dollar. I used a free app, Mint, and started a no-shame money journal. I realized I was spending $150 per month on takeout and random Amazon buys. I cut ruthlessly, canceled subscriptions, cooked at home, stopped buying new clothes. I even switched to a cheaper phone plan, from $80 per month to $20. I started saving at the start of the month, not the end. I auto-transferred $1,600 every month to a high-yield savings account, before I paid bills. And here's the kicker, I picked up a side hustle on weekends, freelance writing and Uber. It added $600 to $800 per month, which I saved 100% of. In 6 months, I hit $10,000. It wasn't easy, but it was 100% possible. You don't need a big salary, just a solid plan and discipline. Want more financial hacks? Hit that subscribe button and let's grow your credit and your confidence together.